GPUS stock has printed our projections of 3.9, 4.26, 4.6. As a matter of fact, it actually pivoted, or rather retraced and got a pivot at 4.67 here, which is just slightly above our projection of 4.6. So in this session, it has gained 41.07%. The volatility expansion on Monday, the 5th, has tried to contract of late. So as things stand right now, I think the stock is still the extrapolation is still insisting that it's not going to go any higher. Let's have a look. I'll show you now. Still insisting that lower prices will print. Let's see. Okay, I have an indicator here. Let me show you. Watch 1 minute. Just be patient with me. Still insisting that lower prices will be printed. Will print. This was what it was insisting on Monday the 5th. Yeah, see that more lower prices is still expected. So as things stand right now, we have do we have no upper projections? We have, yeah, it's an upper projection slightly above where it is now, 7.01, and then a downward projection of 2.22. If you come to the 1 hour chart, we may see some projections there. There are no projections on any of the other charts, no upper projections as such. It's on this 1 hour chart. This is the daily chart, and the 1 hour chart. Yeah, extrapolation to the downside is what is expected as well. So here we have 8.88, 12.08, 15.05, and 16.84. This is where you find the projections, and they seem to validate our projection. We now have another projection of 12.57, just given what has occurred of late, given the retracement, the spike of Monday, and then retracement as well on Tuesday. So, given all of that, we has I guess that's why the algos here equally has these sort of projections. 8.88, 1.12.08, 15.03, and 16.84. So if you have a look at if we go back to the 4 hour chart, let's see. On the 4 hour chart here, let's see now. We have, let's put the market grid. It's going to give us an idea of the trading range. Yeah. So the trend is a bullish one as things stand right now, especially on this 4 hour chart. So it is, I would say, it's with the prevailing regime is a bullish one. So as things stand right now, the stock is gradually now, you can see that 6.72. It's definitely right inside the support zone of its trading range. So trading buying opportunities gradually opening up, but at the same time as well, it's still holding. I can see gains of 42.5. That's still a lot. If it was somewhere around here, 4.6, then it makes sense because we can even see that the XX, the lowest value in or rather the market grid channel is the lower channel is indicating the 5.88. So which is it's from at this sort of levels that you begin to it may a good buying opportunity you know develops. Right now it's gradually coming down to such levels. So what this grading just indicates, especially in this regime, this bullish regime, what it just indicates is that you know at this sort of level, this is the sort of range you can trade. So it's 9.2, 9.26. It's indicating that the stock has a potential to get to such a level. So as stand right now, that opportunity seems to be there as well. But because it has given it a lot. I mean, it's up currently. The gain is now currently 4.43%. So I'm thinking, even though technically that opportunity is there, but it's there, but I think it's still a risky play if you want to get involved in it. So the opportunity is still there, but it's still very risky. So we haven't found any news concerning the stock of late. So just a couple of days ago, we pointed out that in the coming days, in the coming months and weeks, the company may begin to spend more money on SMCI, buying their server, since they are also buying up Nvidia's Blackwell GPUs. So GPUS up 44% roughly. All our projections have printed. We now have a fresh projection of 12.57, and also there are even higher projections on the 1 hour chart for the stock. So there's still an opportunity to get involved, but I'm not advising you to do so. That is just strictly on a technical basis. Strictly on a technical basis. I personally wouldn't be that comfortable to get involved in that. I'm not advising that you do so. So see what you make of GPUS, and thank you very much for watching this video.